Lawyers of Reddit. What was the best gotcha moment you ever experienced? My sister is a family court attorney. Her most unforgettable case involved representing a divorced dad fighting for custody of his 6-year-old daughter. The mom claimed he was an abusive alcoholic who endangered their child during his weekend visits. The evidence looked damning. Multiple police reports from neighbors about loud arguing at his apartment. Photos of the child with what appeared to be bruises on her arms. Even a video of him stumbling around drunk while the kid was supposedly in his care. My sister was struggling to build any defense. Her client insisted he rarely drank and had never hurt his daughter, but the documentation was overwhelming. The mom's lawyer was pushing for supervised visits only, claiming the child was terrified to be alone with her father. Then during discovery, my sister noticed something odd in one of the police reports. The officer noted that when they arrived at the apartment, they found the dad passed out on the couch with an empty beer bottle, but the complaint came from apartment 4B. My sister had previously worked as a social worker before going to law school, so she understood building layouts. She pulled the property records and floor plans for his complex. His apartment was 4A. The complaint came from 4B, his ex-wife's brother's apartment right next door. Subpoena time. My sister requested all financial records from the brother's account during the custody dispute period. Sure enough, multiple payments from the ex-wife labeled as consultation fees and childcare expenses. Then she subpoenaed the brother's cell phone records and found the smoking gun, text messages planning the whole thing. Make sure you're loud when you call the cops. And did you get the photos I sent you to show the marks? But the real breakthrough came when my sister discovered the brother had been posting on social media about his acting gigs, including a video of him practicing how to slur his words and stumble around drunk for what he called method research. The most damning evidence was a deleted Instagram story the brother had posted showing him in the same clothes the dad wore in the drunk video, with the caption, "Nailing this performance, sister owes me big time." During cross-examination, my sister played the social media video for the court. The brother immediately tried to claim it was just a coincidence, that he was practicing for a real acting audition. "Interesting," my sister said calmly. "Can you tell us about this audition? What role were you trying out for?" He fumbled around, making up details about some local theater production about addiction recovery. That's when my sister pulled out her folder. "I contacted every theater company within 50 miles. None of them have any productions about addiction scheduled. In fact, according to the local theater guild, you've never auditioned for anything." She then played the security camera footage she'd obtained from the apartment complex. It clearly showed the brother entering the dad's apartment while he was at work, wearing identical clothes, then leaving 20 minutes later. The brother broke down and confessed everything. The ex-wife had paid him to impersonate her ex-husband in compromising situations, create fake evidence, and file false police reports to destroy his custody case. She said it was my sister's only Perry Mason moment in 15 years of family law. The dad got full custody, and the mom faced criminal charges for conspiracy and filing false reports. The brother got community service and had to pay restitution.